Hello everyone, what's up? Hi there. So, today we are going to study about use of chemical to control disease. Chemical used in plant control, right? Let's jump into it. Get it? So, the topic is that aim of using chemical is to control disease. What is the aim? We have the aim to create toxic behavior barrier. Sorry, uh, chemicals create the toxic barrier between host surface or and pathogen, and it eradicate pathogens from particular host also. So so chemical used to kill the pathogen are known as fungicide, bactericide, nematicides, which kills fungus, bacteria and nematode respectively. And similarly, they do not prevent growth and development, but they uh, prevent the production of spore, which is necessarily for initiation of secondary infection. They are referred as anti-sporulent and genistatic compound. These chemicals are known as what? Anti-sporulent or genistatic compounds, right? So we have a classification on chemical used in plant disease control. We have a protectant, eradicant, therapeutant. Protectants are used before infection. They are known as the protectant, and we have example like zineb, maneb, sulfur. And similarly, eradicant, they eradicates dormant or active pathogen from host. They are carbendazim, zineb, maneb. And we have a therapeutant. Therapeutants are a group of chemical that eradicates pathogen from host after it has a cause infection. After infection, hmm, after infection, we use uh, therapeutic for eradication of pathogens. We have example like Vitabex, Inosan, and antibiotic. Inosan, antibiotic, Vitabex are the example of therapeutic. So, chemical based on mode of action. We have two type of chemicals, that is the systematic chemicals and non-systematic chemicals. Systematic chemicals are those chemicals that which kill the pathogen by entering the plant system and can act on a place far from its application site. So they are the most systematic chemicals are the therapeutic, and the non-systematic chemicals are chemical which do not enter into system of plant but can act the surface of plant. They are mostly protectant. Chemical based on general use. We have a seed protectant. Seed protectant, they protect the seed in the storage and soil. Organomercurals, captan, thirams are the seed protectant. And we have a foliage fungicide. Foliage fungicide like zineb, maneb, and ferbam are the foliage fungicide. Mm, there is a similar FF. The F later is in red color. It means that for we can remember by seeing this F foliage, and the febram is the foliage fungicide. Similarly, we have next is the soil fungicide. PCNB, thiram, zineb, and Vitabex are the soil fungicides. PCNB is the pentachloronitrobenzene. Pentachloronitrobenzene, thiram, zineb, and Vitabex are the soil fungicide. And we have last uh, plant protectant, benomyl and thiobenzidal benzidazole is a thiobenzidazole is a plant protectant. So based on chemical composition, we have two type of fungicide: a non-selective fungicide and selective fungicide, right? Non-selective fungicide and selective fungicide. Let's study about non-selective fungicide. Non-selective fungicide are the sulfur fungicide, copper fungicide, mercuric fungicide, and Phtalimide and quinone fungicide. So sulfur fungicide includes the sulfur, lime, thiram, ziram, maneb, zineb, mancozeb. And couple fungicide includes Bordeaux mixture, copper oxychloride, cuprous oxides. Mercuric fungicide include mercurous chloride, mercuric chloride, mercuric oxide, agrosan, seresan. And Phtalimide and quinone fungicide include captan and captafol. So non-selective fungicide include BBC in shortcut. BBC means Benzimidazole, benomyl carbendazim. Formulation of pesticide. We have a pesticides formulation, that is weightable powder. Weightable powder is a weight and spread in water, but frequent agitation is needed for using the weightable powder. And the duster, we have pesticide. We can found pesticide in the form of dust. Their particle size is 200 to 300 mesh size. Some and next is granules. Uh, Nematicides used in granules form, and their size is in sugar crystal. Suspension and solarities. Dry form of active ingredient is mixed in water and make paste and sold in market. Dry form of ingredient are mixed in water here and then make a paste. These paste sold in market for their use. Active ingredient is as high as in weightable power. It also requires frequent agitation. So we have some biological control method. Biological agent like conithyram minatant attack on sclerotia of sclerotinia sclerotiorum. You can see in a figure that is a conithyram minatant, which is a biological agent to control fungal disease. Similarly, we have a next biological agent like a Gliocladium roseum, which attack on several conidia fungi. You can see in a figure that this is the Gliocladium roseum. And next one is a Botrytis licani, attack on the rust of fungi. Botrytis licani attack on rust of fungi. Uh, and that's it. That's everything about uh, chemical that we use. We have a biological control method similarly. That's all. Thank you very much. Subscribe channel for more update.